Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Taiwan by way of Asha Dry Noodle USA. So you can go to ashadrynoodle.com and check out what they got there. They got some real good stuff. But this is something new, and I'm really curious. Let's just crack it open to see what's inside. So what do we have here? We have Asha Meteor noodles with fried sauce. I know absolutely nothing about these. I can't wait to try them, I know that much, and they seem to be pretty classy looking as far as the packaging goes. Let's see what it says. You cook them for, cook noodles in boiling water. Strain noodles. It doesn't even say how long to cook them. That almost looks like 3.5 minutes, 30 seconds. I don't know. Drain them. Oh, what's that? Add sauce sachets into the noodles. Mix sauce into noodles. Or add the sauce and then mix it up and eat it. So basically, this is going to be another dry noodle variety. The noodles look to be a little bit thinner. And it looks like a kind of a hearty, meaty kind of sauce and a thinner noodle. That sounds good. I'm all over that. And here is one of the individual packages. The reason why I was kind of like, do I really want to crack this open? Because what I do when I do my posts and reviews, I scan everything. So I don't want to like mess up the packaging before I've had a chance to usually I'll take a pair of scissors and be like really, really gentle with it. Because obviously the inside individual packaging is different than the external packaging. So I want to make sure I can scan it. I got a large format scanner. And then I'll have to, this one is pretty big, so I'll probably have to do it in 2 pieces, put them together in Photoshop, do all sorts of Photoshop magic into it. Yeah, I do. I spend a lot of time on my reviews, and this one's going to get quite a bit of time. So yeah, I'm excited. These noodles look like they're a pretty decent gauge. They look more like a standard instant gauge. I remember they had a barbecue thin noodle that I really liked when I first started trying Taiwanese dry noodle. I don't know if that was number one year, but that was definitely one that I remember as being one of the first ones I really liked from Asha. So yeah. Well, cool. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be trying this pretty soon. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thank you to Asha for sending this over. Have a good one. Bye.